hello. Hello.
I'm looking for Mr. Morgan. Are you him?
Are you?
Well, I guess.
You guess.
My name's Jimmy Dale Crofton. I come here from Tiptonville, Tennessee, because I read about you in this magazine article. Right here. There.
And?
Well, the same thing happens to me. I was sort of coming hoping maybe you could explain, sort of explain what it is.
I don't know what it is.
But it happens to you, right?
No, it happens to you too, and you don't know what it is.
I come a long way here, Mr. Morgan. I was kind of hoping you could talk a little bit more than that.
What do you want me to say?
Well, I just kind of want you to explain, what comes over me.
I don't know what it is.
I got $60.72 in my pocket, and I'm willing to carve out a little bit of that if you'd be willing to talk to me.
I would help you if I could. I really would. Who are you?
I'm Jimmy Dale Crofton.
No. Who are you?
Oh, I'm a Chinese girl.
And?
Well, she's just sitting in this room, and this woman comes in and gives her a bowl.
That's it?
Pretty much. Well, her leg's hurting her real bad. She's thinking about this baby, but it ain't her. She loves it. So you don't understand what it is, then?
You can't understand it. It's like understanding the understanding. You just know it's there.
You mind if I ask you a question?
You just did.
Now, do you get that feeling, like in your chest right before it happens?
Yes.
Does your body feel like dust? Like it's dust getting blown around in the wind?
Oh, yes.
When it's done, do you feel different?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, yes.
But you ain't scared?
Oh, no. No. Nope.
Do you know something, you ever heard of something called the hero's path?
Nope.
What about something called Macumba?
Nope.
Well, all right then. I appreciate your time. See you later.
Okay. Jimmy Dale, everything you want to know is right there inside of you. Everything.
All right. Thank you.
But
right.
would you hand me that last piece up on the shelf there, please?
White one?
Yes. Would you hand that to me, please?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. See you later.